Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto with Jai. Today we are going to discuss how to create the Solana token on my Windows system. On my last video, we have discussed how to install the Solana tool on Windows platform without using the WSL. Basically, there are so many videos mentioning about the WSL. But there is also some issues regarding WSL with the system firewall. So we have installed the Solana tool without using the WSL, using the PowerShell, and now we are going to use that Solana tool. So we have checked already with this command as well as Solana version. So now we are going to create a new token. For that, we have to create a directory. So I'm creating this inside my E drive, dir uh, tst token, cdtst token. So after that, I will run this command for a boss key pair who will control all the things of my token. So basically, grind. What did this command do? Look here, I am using terms that like DRC. So before my keychain generating the keychain key pair name, the DRC will be the terms which will be automatically added with that key pair to better understanding regarding my boss account or my key pair. Okay, we can use anything. You can use your name, you can use anything else, but remember that three character is more than sufficient. If you use four or five, it will take more time to generate the key pair. So I'm simply hit this command. Look, it is generated, and the character I have used, it is automatically added before the key pair. Okay, so I have to check Solana C1 config get, but in this key pair path, look, this is configured with another location. So I have to update the key pair with this command Solana config set minus minus key pair, then within double quotes the location of that key pair file. Okay, so I'm doing this. Just removing this Solana TST token. TST token is Solana. Oh, sorry, it is in directly in E drive. TST token. Then use this name just on file name. Config set. Now it is configured. So what we'll do next? We can run this command to review the configuration of my Solana. Okay, it is now configured with that location ETST token, then my newly generated key pair. Okay, let's move on next. So one more thing, there is two simple method to change the Solana network. There are four network. One is Solana mainnet beta, and second one is Solana DevNet. Third one is localhost. Fourth one is testnet. So we will definitely create our token on Solana DevNet, and this is the Solana DevNet RPC. So by using this command, we can change the Solana network, or also we can use this command. So in my previous command, we can check that the RPC URL is currently configured with Solana DevNet. If we want to change, then you can run any of the command from my screen. I have already shown you Solana config set URL, then DevNet. It will be configured with the DevNet. Then if we use Solana config set URL testnet, it will configure with testnet mainnet beta. Also, you can use the short term UM UD UL UT. Okay, so let's try by using this command. It will change. Look, it is configured with the mainnet. Now, if we are using this command, look, it again configured with the devnet. Okay, let's move on to next. Now we are going to generate another keygen. This is basically the uh, token name, the mint, which will be used for minting our token. And this is the token name which will be used for our next command wherever it is required. So keep this noted after running this command. So we are going to run this command. So there is basically Solana providing a very unique technique uh, to better understanding, to better identify our token. So Solana keys and grind minus minus start with, then I'm using JK. So it is finding a key pair. Look, it has already generated. Okay, so what we will do, we will keep this in a separate file to use it for further reference. Okay, from my previous thing, I'm also keeping this. Okay, so let's check about the address as well as address. Look, now it is mapped with my previously generated key pair Solana balance. Now it is showing that I don't have any Solana balance, so I have to enquire the Solana airdrop. The command is very simple, Solana airdrop too. So now again check the Solana balance. Now it is showing that 2 Sol is there. Also, we can use the Solana Faucet website. This is the Solana Faucet website. I am opening it my browser. Faucet. So I am using this address to get this Solana test Solana and amount. What will be the amount? I'm selecting 5. Let's see 5 token is transferred successfully or not. It will take 10 to 15 seconds. So it is successfully dropped. Now again come to our terminal, check the balance. Now it is 7 sol. So we can now easily start our next step. So we have received the airdrop for testing our token to using this Solana tool. Sorry, Solana balance. So run this command next. Now we are going to create a token. Okay. So it is clearly mentioned in Solana official website that previously Solana using this old technique. Now it is configured with the Solana extend token extension program. This is the universal token extension program ID we have to use with that Solana create token command. So the decimal precision during this command it will be 9 by default, or we can change it by using this flag hyphen decimals whenever you require. If you decided to add more decimal bigger than 9, so you have to use this flag command. So I'm trying this command without using the flag. The default 9 will be sufficient for our token. So for token extension program ID, I'm using this command. It is already tested successfully. So I'm just copying this command and paste it my terminal. Okay. So I have to change only this address, mint address. Okay. So what is our new mint address? Let's see. This is the mint address. Okay. So we are just remove this and paste it. Type JSON. Oh, sorry. I have right clicked on the terminal so it copies the previously generated file. So I'm just copy this, use this JSON. Now it is creating the token and it is successfully created. Okay. Now let's move on to our next command. So we can check now on Solana Explorer. Okay, by using this address, the newly generated our key pair. Let's move on to our Solana Explorer. It is mainnet beta, so I have to change it. Just a second. Now it is connect with DevNet. So I'm just putting my main address here. Let's see. Look, uh, already it has been tracked by Solana Explorer DevNet. It is mentioned that unknown token, then token address. This is the contract address. Look, why I am using this JK. I have to understand that what is my coin contract address, who is the minting authority. So this is a very good technique uh, provided by Solana blockchain, a very unique technique. So metadata provider authority, who can provide the metadata. So now our token has been generated. Now let's see for our next command. Now it is our very unique things, a very simple thing to generate the metadata for our token. Okay, so for that we can use GitHub for our testing purpose, and there are some Web3 storage provider. Look, it is mentioned here. Web3 storage provider. Accord Iris, Metaboss, NFT storage, Pinata, Shadow Drive, Web3 storage. We can use any of the Web3 storage provider for our storage purpose. We can use for both mainnet and testnet, but it will be better using this storage for mainnet only. For testnet, we can use the GitHub mm, raw GitHub source. So that will be enough for Amazon Web3, Google Cloud Platform. So just move on to your GitHub repository and update logo. Okay. So to generate a logo, you can use the ChatGPT to easily generate, or you can do by yourself. Okay. So I'm doing this. It's a very simple thing. There is nothing rocket science in this. GitHub. I'm just moving to GitHub. Unfortunately, my network is very slow today, so it will take some time. Look, there is two picture. This is a car picture, I think. Yes, and this is a metadata JSON file. So one thing, I will use this raw location. Open image in how to get the raw location of this uh, file. Just right click into the image and open it in new tab. It will give you the raw location of your image file. Just copy this location and update it in your metadata file. Paste it. Oh, sorry, I have to enable the edit mode. So I paste it, then commit. Before committing, I'm just try to change the name. So test token and TST TSTK or TTK, whatever you use, TTK. So everything is now okay. Commit it. So now we again use the raw location of this JSON file. Maybe this is creating some. Look, we got the raw location. So keep aside this URL. Okay, now you can close the GitHub. Not required. So what is the command to extend the metadata to our token? This is for the mainnet for DevNet. I'm just using this. Just change this location. I have to change so many things here. So I have to use my coin address here. The minting address we have already kept it note. This is the minting address. So copy it, paste it here. Then our exact token TST token, then TTKN, then the URL. This is the metadata URL. Look, it is generated our. Now our token has the metadata also. Just refresh this. Look, it is taking. I think it is already done. Yes. Now see, it's very easy to generate a icon, the metadata description or token name, and you can find that in the URI section. Our metadata GitHub location is there. Okay, so we have successfully created our token metadata, everything. Now let's try to mint some coin, mint some token in this. So to do that, we have to run this command SPL token. Then we have to create a, sorry, we have to first of all create a token account. Now we have generated the token, means the minting authority, the boss authority, everything we have generated. We have issued the metadata to our token. Now you have to create a token account where we can mint some token. Okay, so first of all, we will run this command with the token address or mint address. So this is our mint address. This is our mint address. So let's run this. So this is the token token account. Okay, where our minted token will be showing. Now let's mint some token by using this command spl token, token name. Exactly run this command. So again we have to use the minting address, the token address. It is identified by JK. Look, you can easily identify it. There will be no confusion if you use the grind command. Then the amount. Okay, so I am just generating 100 tokens, minting 100 tokens. It is successfully minted. Now check on the Explorer that whether it is current supply was 0 previously, so I'm just refreshing this. Now it is showing. Okay, so hope this will help you a lot to generate a new token in your Solana blockchain. Uh, this is very simple thing, and keep in mind one thing before generating the this command SPL token create this command. You have to must enable this metadata extension. If you skip this step, you cannot put any metadata in your token. So you have to keep in mind that whether this flag is added or not. And this is the metadata extension program. Don't use any other extension ID, then the metadata will not work properly. So that's all. We have successfully created our token. If you are facing any issue, you can comment me on video. Subscribe my channel so that every video you will get the notification. Thank you.